Danny, do you know what does improvise mean?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's when you make something up on the spot.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna give you a subject and then you can try to improvise, okay?
Can I act or do I just have to
I think
talk?
it's not
You
that
can
at all.
act and talk.
Okay.
And so the subject is umbrella in the rain.
Well,
I think I hear food. Don't come close to me because I have a bubble.
okay. Oh my God, is that hail coming in there? Oh, that is hail. Ow, come on, human, move faster, move faster. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my God, the rain is coming down harder. Ow, ow. Oh, come on, human, move faster. Can't you understand what I'm saying?
That was good, Danny.
Oh, why do humans have to be so stupid? Oh no, there comes the hail. Do you want